So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vegan chickpea salad sandwich. Hey guys, Bananiac here. Welcome back to my channel. We're in the kitchen. We're making a chickpea salad sandwich. It's kind of like a vegan tuna salad or egg salad, but it's made with chickpeas. Super delicious and nutritious, and you can make it super quick too, so that's the best part. So first start off by dumping two 15-ounce cans of chickpeas into a bowl, and then start mashing the chickpeas. I am using basically a mashed potato masher, and it doesn't have to be super smooth. Just make sure that the chickpeas are not whole. Then dump 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, 4 tablespoons of tahini, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. You can use maple syrup if you like, but I just find that agave works better for this recipe. Then add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a dash of sesame seeds, salt, and pepper. And then mix it all around, and you're pretty much done with the chickpea salad at this point. So to make the sandwich, just grab your favorite whole grain bread. I like to toast mine personally. Then I lay 1 slice of tomato on 1 slice of bread, and then some slices of avocado on the other. Put a bunch of mixed greens in there and 1 scoop of the chickpea salad, and you can pretty much use like an ice cream scoop here. And there you have it. That's how you make a chickpea salad sandwich. This is a great alternative if you used to like eating tuna salad or egg salad, and it's way healthier and it has no animal products in it. It's cruelty free. It's a win-win all around, and you definitely don't have to eat it as just a sandwich. You can put it on top of greens, you can mix it in with your pasta. Basically eat it any way that you like. Let me know your thoughts down below if you end up trying it, and do let me know if you think of any other ways that I can improve this recipe. Give it a like if you found it useful, and subscribe for more videos and recipes just like this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.